जाणी कल्पनेतले घर चितला जाणे सुख देण्या संसाराची काय चित्रां पितारल्यात तांचे खातीर खोशयेची खबर। द नव हिंद टायम्सान प्रॉपर्टी एक्सपो आणि न्यू व्हिएस्टाचे चौथी आवृत्ती घडून हाडल्या। 4 आणि 5 मार्चाक सकाळी 10 सावन ते सांजे 7 मजगती पणजेच्या ओल्ड गोवा GMC बिल्डिंगेत हो एक्सपो जाता।
We are from Solitaire, Pune based group. So we are been in the residential and commercial business for last 30 more years. We have established a lot of footprints in Pune, Mumbai, and now Solitaire is expanding in Goa. We have come up with a very luxurious, beautiful villa project on Ponda Madgaon highway, which is about individual villa, row villa, and there are twin villa. Our property is basically a lake touching property with all the amenities you will need in your villa. We have very much private gardens, terraces, beautiful modular kitchen. We have tremendous amount of space for kids and all the other necessity.
So I'm here from Jai Bhuvan group, and we are here at this stall, and we are selling our 1 BHK apartments, plus we are selling our plots, and we have a lot of other properties also, like we have our 2 BHKs, plus we have a 4 BHK at Miramar. So we are here, and we are looking for more clients and customers for more collaborations with us.
गोवा 365 खातीर विलियम रॉड्रिक्स, जवाहर बर्वे आणि निखिल जल्मी